Hello. Alright, honk for scream. Part 7 or 8?
7.
7, okay.
We just had the pre-show.
Oh yeah, pre-show. Watch that before you watch this, why don't you? Okay, honk for
Will be
scream.
up in the left corner.
I think it's the, I thought it was the right. You're right. My left.
No, your left will be the link to the pre-show.
Alright, whatever.
The right will be all the information.
And in the description, watch 4.5 because it's funny. Alright, whatever. We're uploading them tonight, yeah buddy. Alright, honk for scream is starting now. Anybody else scares me, I'm gonna beat the shit out of them.
So like those bikers.
I hope those bikers are watching, bitches. Honk for scream! Honk! Honk, honk, honk.
Honk!
Honk your horn! Honk. Oh, buddy.
Another victory again.
You guys are so fucking gay!
Fuck you!
Whore! Fucking bitches! Hop off your menstrual cycle and run
We should
yourself
just
over.
totally like chase him.
You guys are so fucking gay! Because they're cool. Because they're any cooler. A bunch of teenagers riding in a fucking mama's mobile, okay? Yeah, they're cool. They can ride in a minivan and talk shit.
I think those were the people who said, I know who you are and shit. Like,
Nah, that was an old lady. Like it was an older lady.
oh yeah.
Honk your horn! Honk it for scream! Scream says honk! Honk, 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 honk!
Right after we ended the video, we were coming back down this black and this black minivan passed us and
Honk
said
your horn, please!
we know who you are and that you guys are gay and stuff. So we didn't know
Honk
who
your
it was.
horn! Fuck you! Keep my fucking horn. Alright. Oh, I didn't even put the mask on right. Oh well. Oh! My dog head just started ripping hurt out of my head.
You alright?
Yeah, hey guys. Fake knife, right? Scream is. Oh, hey, hold on. Honk your horn, please. Hey, see? Fake knife that Scream likes to pretend with. Then, this knife. Those people come back, I'm gonna key the fuck out of their car. Oh shit, that's them.
Oh, it's not. That's a red.
So? Alright, wait, how?
Honk! Honk the horn! No.
Hey, what time are we at, bro?
2 minutes, 57 seconds.
Alright! Let's get it started. Get it started.
Please guys, people who view this, try to make this video more known than it is so we could get more views, so
Spread it
more
around
people
your
could see the
school.
comedy.
Honk your horn, please. Come on, honk your horn. Honk your horn and check us out on YouTube. Honk your horn and check us out on YouTube. They're gonna see something on there.
Yeah! That nigga's scary. Chicken tree motherfucker.
Honk for Scream on YouTube.
What do you say?
He said honk for Scream on nigga. Alright, finally we're into some
You
cool
should have
people.
said check us out on YouTube.
I did. Finally some cool people pulled up and weren't fucking assholes. Alright. See how many more we can get. I like it when people pull up there. Honk your horn for Scream! Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Honk, honk, honk. I make sure I don't do this anymore because that was...
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill you! Honk your horn for Scream! Shit, that was the cop! That was the cop!
There was a cop.
Honk your horn for Scream and turn on your headlights!
If he comes back, we're running for it.
If he comes back, I'm diving in that yard. Honk your horn! Honk your horn for Scream!
You guys want to see the scenery around here real quick?
Yeah. Sidewalk, long ass block. Creepy old house, I don't like to look at it.
They're doing construction here.
Yeah. This is my corner though. And
This
then
is
there's some
nice.
crappy ass apartments. Like we were there in part 5 and 6. That's where some bikers scared my ass. And guys, if you just want us to do random shit, I don't really care. Just comment it. Try
Just
not.
like I said last video, if you want us to get more extreme, comment.
Yeah, buddy.
If you're viewing this video. And you're listening to what we say instead of clicking out of it real quick.
Now listen to this.
I hope those people in the black minivan that we saw yesterday come by.
Those people scared me. Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Scream doing Pat, just be like, hey, make like the eyes go downward. Ah, what is that? What is that? Oh, it's leaves. Dude, I thought it was like a dead rat. Hold on, we can get that guy to do it over there. Honk your horn! Yeah, buddy! Thank you. Check us out on YouTube. Type in Scrooge Grass Road. And like this. Honk your horn!
Hey, let us know, even though I'll probably get kicked out right away. I'll wear a different mask. Let us know if you want us to go inside of that 7-Eleven that's right over there one time.
Yeah, I'll do that, bro. Oh, and I'll buy some candy. Just be like, what, you don't want my business?
If they say leave, or else they're gonna call cops, we're probably just gonna leave.
No, I'll scream. I'll be like, ah! And I'll just, ah! Honk your horn! I guess that works.
Sort of. I think we got more victories in this video than
Then like
any
our whole other parts.
Try to get
Hey, we can't
this guy,
do this.
right here, right here. This guy, get that guy.
Alright, we can't do this forever, guys, so give us more ideas. Honk your horn for Scream! Honk it! Honk your horn for Scream! Honk your horn for Scream! Come on! Honk your horn! Honk your horn! Oh, that's a nice car! Honk your horn! Honk your horn!
If you want to know how Honk for Scream came about, comment and we might post a video on it. That you got comment.
View this twice.
Especially you, Kelton. We're coming
Yeah,
after
Kelton.
you.
I'm still gonna get you, bro.
Close up. On the nose.
No, you crazy. You. Alright, what are we at?
We are at 8:42.
Alright, guys, watch part 8, okay? This is going on a little bit too long.
This is part 7.
Yeah, part 7, by the way, so watch part 8 is what I'm saying. Watch the next one. Alright, we're gonna post 4 every Sunday, new rule. 3 or 4, okay.
And the videos are going to keep getting longer and longer. Some might be shorter, but we'll try to make them longer.
Alright, guys, and see!